All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into some new tech that could seriously change how we connect with people across the globe. It's called TranslAItor, and it does real-time translation, but with this incredible twist. It's all about preserving the one thing that always gets lost, your actual voice. So let's think about this for a second. When was the last time you used a translation app? You got the words, sure, but did you really get the person behind them? We've all been there, right? You're trying to have a real human conversation, but it feels like you're hitting a digital wall. Something vital just disappears.
And you know what I'm talking about. The result is always the same, isn't it? These monotone, kind of robotic voices, those super awkward pauses that just completely kill the natural flow of a conversation. But you know the biggest thing we lose? It's the emotion, the personality, everything that makes your voice sound like you.
Yeah, what's missing is that fundamental human element. See, when we strip away the unique character of someone's voice, we're actually losing a huge chunk of the message itself. So what do we even call this crucial missing piece? Well, there's a name for it: vocal identity. And this right here is the absolute heart of the matter. Your voice isn't just about the words you're saying, it's about how you say them. It's your personal signature, you know? It carries all those subtle cues, the excitement in your voice, a bit of sarcasm, your sincerity. That's what gives your words their real meaning. And that's exactly what today's technology just throws away. Okay, so if losing our vocal identity is the problem, what's the fix? How do we build a bridge that doesn't just shuffle words around, but actually connects one human being to another? And this is it. This is the big idea behind TranslAItor. The solution isn't just a faster or slightly more accurate translation. No, it's translation that keeps your original voice, your tone, your rhythm, your unique way of speaking, and delivers it in a totally new language. So you speak, and the person listening hears you just speaking their language. I know. It sounds a little like science fiction, doesn't it? So how on earth does it actually work? Let's peel back the layers here and take a look at the AI process that makes all of this possible. It basically breaks down into 4 main stages. First up is capture. The system isolates your voice from any background noise to get a really clean signal. Then the AI analyzes that signal, and this is cool, it creates a detailed profile of your specific vocal traits. From there, it does the more standard stuff. It translates the words, and then this is the magic moment. It synthesizes those translated words, but it does it using a voice that sounds just like yours. Now, that last step, the synthesis part, that is the real breakthrough here. And to pull that off, the AI has to create something the source material calls a vocal fingerprint. Let's take into how it actually does that. The core technology here is this idea of content-form separation. It's super clever. It intelligently separates the what, the actual words you're saying, from the how, all the unique qualities of your voice. This lets the AI translate the message while holding on to the unique expression of the person who's speaking. And the level of detail is just wow. To build that vocal fingerprint, the AI is analyzing over 120 different parameters. We're talking your pitch, your rhythm, your specific intonation, literally everything that makes you sound like you. But look, all that amazing detail doesn't mean a thing if it's slow and laggy, right? And that's the other part of the breakthrough. This whole process happens with less than 300 milliseconds of delay. That's basically instant in terms of human conversation. It's that combo of insane detail and incredible speed that finally makes a fluid, natural back and forth possible. So, what's under the hood? Well, it's not just one single algorithm, it's a whole suite of specialized AIs working together. You've got a multimodal architecture, processing text and audio at the same time. Neural voice synthesis and advanced acoustic models are the things that handle the how, recreating your voice. And maybe most importantly, you've got neural transformers. Yep, the same kind of tech behind things like ChatGPT, and they handle the what, making sure the translation gets the context and the nuance right. It's a really powerful combination. Okay, so let's zoom out for a second and look at the big picture. What does a world with this kind of technology actually look like? What's the endgame here? This is the mission statement from this source, and it's
It's incredibly powerful. This isn't just about making a vacation easier or closing a business deal. It's about fundamentally tearing down a barrier that has kept people apart for thousands of years and letting us have truly authentic connections.
And that brings us right back to the human impact. I mean, when you can actually hear the emotion in someone's voice, you build deeper connections. That psychological distance that translation always seems to create, it just melts away. And maybe most importantly, you preserve a key part of someone's cultural identity, which is so deeply embedded in the way they speak. So, as we wrap up, I'll just leave you with this one thought. If your true voice, with all of its unique emotion and personality, could instantly and effortlessly cross any border, what's the first conversation you would start?